Okay, come on, Caleb.
You have to eat it, right?
Use your spoon to eat, Caleb.
Dot, dot, dot. Right. I see it. Go, hurry up to right.
Uh-oh. You didn't wash your hands. Did you wash your hands? Oh, it was inside the sock. That's okay. He's a lefty.
Oh my god.
But he's eating with his right.
Good job, Caleb. Oh, I forgot. It's funny.
That Mama?
Yeah. Caleb. What is the spoon doing in there?
Oh no.
Your spoon is so big. Here's just another spoon. Smaller spoon. Smaller spoon.
Make sure you finish your food.
I'm confusing you. Okay. Here. Ah.
Oh.
Put some rice in your spoon, Caleb. Put some rice in your spoon. Oh dear.
Yeah, it picks it from the food. That's so funny. Look at it. He's so peaceful when he eats his rice.
When he's doing something, he has to be doing something. The lighting changes. I don't know why.
Oh, she turned off the lighting thing.
Like the auto adjust or something. But I'm not even moving. Good job, Caleb. Put some rice, baby. Some rice. Put some rice. Yeah. Here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Caleb, here.
It was good hash brown, definitely, yeah.
With the coconut curry.
Yep. Still haven't tried the vindaloo yet.
It's in the fridge.
Yeah.
One at a time. Right.
That was good.
You want the light on?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. It will be, you just tell me when to come back, Joseph. You don't know. You don't be so sticky.
Don't swear somebody.
Wow, good job, Caleb. I'm at 4 minutes.
Okay, let me get a wifey, Joseph.
Yes,
Oh,
baby.
yeah, not that. One piece up.
You want Mama to do it or Dada? Oh my gosh, that's been a while.
He's been wanting, he wants you to do it now.
Okay.
Okay,
hold on.
Mom, it's time.
1 second.
Before we said no, I want that white man, but now he wants one. Oh. That's funny on the video.
Okay, Caleb.
Joseph, do you want a wifey? You want to do it? Yes? Yeah. I know, huh?
5 minutes.
5 minutes videos. 5-minute video. Caleb, 5 minutes.
5-minute video. You like the rice video? Oh my gosh, look at look.
Yum, yum.
Don't bite your finger. You like it? Yummy.
He doesn't have enough teeth to hurt himself.
Oh my god.
Yes. Can you take over? So I can help the other one. Let's make sure to put this on. This one, 'cause
Alright.
there's lots of.
Look at my arm, please, Mama.
There's lots of. Okay, honey. Coming. I love you too, baby. Here I come to stay all day.
Wait. Oh, in your nanas. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, get him. Here. Boop, boop. You want your spoon back, baby? You get your spoon here. Is your spoon here? Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Goodbye. Crispy.
I'm videoing his fingers getting the rice.
Wow, that is the longest video on record.
8 minutes with video of him actually grabbing the rice. Close up.
Bye.
Oh,
He's saying hi to me.
so I can see. Oh, oh no, you lost your piece of rice.
No. Hey, finish your food.
Why are you wiping up?
Joseph. All your corn on the table. That's okay. Is this blanket?
It's in one of them, Killer Games.
No, that's both his blanket. Caleb is just now using his hands. No more spoon. Forget the spoon.
That was good, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
No.
Yeah. Huh? Crispy. All done, Caleb? Oh, did you see the one I was soaking?
I almost ate it straight. It has vinegar.
Well, duh.
Ate it straight.
Yummy, yummy. Sticky. sticky rice. Sticky and wet. Yum.
And Mama, did you find Mama? Did you find Mama?
Mhm.
You hit these lines with the pencil.
Okay. Wow, good job, Caleb. Wow, what a face. What is that face?
Pencil.
Mama.
Nope, a pencil. Caleb don't have the
Okay, put it inside the box.
pencil.
Are you getting it in your mouth or what?
Yes, he is.
Is this old one?
No, that was Caleb's none. You can just give him half. I was saving it for Caleb.
He's being nice now.
He ate none at Costco. Okay, Joseph. Joseph, no. This is Joseph's colored pencils. Here you go. There.
Mama,
Joseph, I think you need to put that inside the box. You like it, Caleb? He was doing this face. Yum. Wow. Oh my. It's 11 o'clock. Shower time after this, Caleb.